Good day, math friends. Let's go over how to multiply numbers when they're below a base number. So here in the first problem, 97 times 95, we're going to be working off a base number 100. We're going to say 97 is minus 3, and 95 will be minus 5 from 100. So to get the left-hand side, we're either going to subtract this way or subtract this way. So 97 minus 5 is 92. We could see 97 minus 5 is 92. Also 95 minus 3, that's 92. Either way, we get 92 for our left-hand side. For our right-hand side, we're simply going to multiply the differences together. So negative 3 times negative 5 gives us positive 15. Our answer, 9,215. Okay, let's try the next problem, 93 times 93. From base number 100, we're going to say 93 is minus 7. Okay, to get the left-hand side, we either subtract this or this. Either way, it doesn't matter. 93 minus 7, that gives us 86. 7 times 7 is 49. Next problem, 99 times 98. Working on base number 100. 99 is minus 1. 98 will be minus 2. Okay, 98 minus 1. Going up this way, 98 minus 1 gives us 97. Multiply the differences, we get 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, the next problem, 89 times 97. We'll say from base number 100, 89 is minus 11, 97 is minus 3. Okay, 89 minus 3 gives us 86. And then 11 times minus 11 times minus 3 gives us a positive 33. Next problem, working on base number 100. 88 is minus 12, 90 is minus 10. $88 minus 10 is the same as 90 minus 12, gives us 78. Negative 12 times negative 10 gives us 120. And remember from my other video that however many zeros are in the base, that's going to be how many digits are allowed in the right-hand side. So that 1 from the 120, that has to be carried over. Okay, 92 times 98 from base number 100. Okay, 89 minus 8 is the same as 92 minus 11. So 89 minus 8, that gives us 81. Negative 8 times negative 11 gives us a positive 88. For our answer. Here are a few problems working off of base 1000. For the first problem here, Right, base 1000. So 998 is minus 2 from base 1000. 989 is minus 11 from base 1000. And keep in mind, however many zeros here in the base number we're working off of, that's how many digits I like to write as the difference. Notice I could have just wrote minus 2, but that's not the way I like to do things. I like to write out however many digits, however many zeros in the base number, how many digits here. Kind of helps me to keep in mind that that's also going to be the same amount of digits here on the right hand side. So using our pattern, we either subtract this way or subtract this way. Either way we get 987 for the left hand side. For the right hand side we multiply straight down and we get 22. We're going to write it like this. We need 3 digits in the right hand side because we have 3 zeros in the base number. So even though the answer is 2 times 11 is 22, we got to write that extra 0 here to make sure we get all 3 digits. Final answer. Oops. Okay, the second problem, 910 times 993. Working off of base number 1000. We're going to say this is minus 90. This will be minus 7. Okay, either subtract this way or subtract this way. For our left hand side, either way we get 903. For the right hand side, remember we multiply straight down. 90 times 7 is 630. Final answer. Okay, third problem, working off of base 1000 again. We'll say this is minus 10. This is minus 11. For our left hand side, we either subtract this way or subtract this way. Either way we get the same thing, 979. For the right hand side, multiply straight down, get 110. Okay, last problem here, working off of base 1000. We'll say this is minus 80. This we'll say is minus 70. For our left hand side, let's take 930, subtract 80. Notice that's the same. If we do 920 minus 70, it's going to be the same as 930 minus 80. Either way, we get 850. And then for the right hand side, we multiply the differences. Well, 80 times 70 is 5,600. But we only have 3 zeros in the base number. So we only have room for 3 digits here. So I also like to write 3 digits in the differences. Helps me keep in mind that it's going to be 3 digits here. So we're going to write it like this. 5,600. That extra 5, it carries over. So our final answer Now I'd like to show you what happens when we have multiplication of a number above a base times a number that's below a base. So for the first problem, 103 times 97, we're going to work off of base number 100. We're going to say this is a difference of positive 3. 97 is a difference of minus 3. Okay, kind of the same techniques for our left-hand side. We either add 97 and 3 because this is the positive. So we're going to either add 97 to 3 or we're going to subtract 3 from 103. See, 103 matches to the minus, so we subtract. 97 matches up to the positive, so we add. Either way, we get the same thing of 100. Same answer of 100. Now we're going to multiply the differences, same way we've been doing, but this is going to be a negative number, or how we do in Vedic math, we call a bar number. So we're going to say this is 9 bar. Now remember, once again, however many zeros in the base number is how many digits are going to be here on the right-hand side. Okay, so we have a bar number. Now what does this bar number mean? What are we going to do? We're going to treat this like a negative, kind of like a negative number. So to get rid of the bar number, we're going to apply our formula, all from 9, last from 10. To do that, we subtract 1 from the left-hand side. We're going to subtract 1. That'll give us 99. Then we're going to apply all from 9, last from 10 to the right-hand side. If you guys are confused about all from 9, last from 10, watch my video on it. It goes into it a little deeper. To make it short here, I'm going to basically subtract every number from 9, and the last digit will be subtracted from 10. So we're going to say 9 minus 0, that gives us 9, and 10 minus 9 gives us 1. So here's our answer. I'll show you this again here. Problem number 2, 108 times 92. Okay, working off of base number 100. 108 is a difference of positive 8. 92 is a difference of negative 8. For our left-hand side, we're either going to subtract 8 from 108. Negative 8 matches up with 108, so we either subtract negative 8 from 108 or add positive 8 to 92. Either way, we get the same thing. That's 100. And for the right-hand side, we multiply straight down. Positive 8 times negative 8 gives us a negative 64. So we're going to write 64 bar. That's our negative 64. Now to get rid of the bar number, we apply all from 9, last from 10. And to do that, we need to subtract 1 from here, and then apply all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 6 gives us 3, and 10 minus 4 gives us 6. There's our final answer. Okay, problem number 3, 111 times 89. From base number 100, we're going to say this is a difference of positive 11. This is a difference of negative 11. Okay. 111 minus 11 is the same as 89 plus 11. Gives us 100. We'll multiply straight down the difference. 11 times 11 is 11 times negative 11 is a negative 121. So remember, we only have room for 2 digits in the right-hand side. So to write this 121, we're going to write 121. All those, those are bar numbers, which is a negative. Now to get rid of the bar numbers, first we have to do this carry. But this is a negative. We have a bar number here. So that means instead of adding like we have been doing, we're going to subtract. So 100 minus 1 will give us 99. And then we still have this 21 bar left over. 21 bar, that's left over. So first we subtract this 1 to get 99. And then this 21 bar, that still remains. We haven't applied our all from 9, last from 10. So to get rid of this bar, we apply all from 9, last from 10, which means we have to subtract 1 from here and then apply the formula. So 9 minus 2 gives us 7, and 10 minus 1 gives us 9. There's our answer. Okay, last problem, 107 times 95. From base number 100, we'll say 107 is plus 7 difference. 95 is a negative 5 difference. Okay, our left-hand side, I think it's easier, 107 minus 5. That gives us 102. For the right-hand side, we multiply straight down. 7 times 5 gives us, 7 times negative 5 gives us negative 35. So we write 35 bar. Now to get rid of that bar, we apply all from 9 last from 10. To do that, we need to subtract 1. We need to subtract 1 from the left-hand side. That gives us 101. And apply our formula. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And 10 minus 5 is 5. Here's our answer. You guys, if you want, go ahead and create your own practice problems. Give these a try. If you're curious about all from 9 last from 10, look on my video. It explains it more in depth. I guess the hardest thing to point out is what happens in this situation where you need to carry a negative number over and then apply all from 9 last from 10 on what's left over. Yeah, you remember in the other videos when we carried over, we added, but those weren't negative numbers. This is a bar number, that's a negative number, so we have to subtract. So we subtract that 1 to get 99, and then apply the formula on what's left over, this bar number 21, bar 21 to get the final answer here. I hope you enjoy these videos. Create your own problems, see how it works out for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your time. Thank you.